Do you want to learn how to check the battery on your G Pro X Superlight by Logitech? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So first of all, this is the mouse, and in the middle, you see a light. It's currently pulsating red. This means that the battery is low on this mouse. And if it's pulsating green, that means that the battery is fully charged. So on our computer, we're going to go over to the browser and search for Logitech Hub, which is going to take us over to this page, and click on it, the first one. Now you can download the Logitech G Hub for Windows, and if you're on Mac, you can download it for that. Now to check the battery, you need to first download it to your computer, install it to your computer. Once you've installed it, open the software, which is going to open up like this. Now it's going to load and connect with your mouse, and you'll be able to see that it is connection light speed, and the battery is very low, 15%, and it has like 11 hours remaining. But I've found that this 11 hours does not mean 11 hours. It will probably run out in like 1 hour or something. So you need to charge it again. So that is it. This is how to check battery on G Pro X Superlight by Logitech. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.